Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Shaw. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 149 out of 150 questions. This question asks, there are 23 girls and 15 boys in Mrs. Francis's class. If the school principal picks a class monitor at random, what is the probability that it will be a boy? The choices are A. 15 over 23, B. 15, C. 23 over 38, D. 15 over 38. Again, the question and choices are there are 23 girls and 15 boys in Mrs. Francis's class. If the school principal picks a class monitor at random, what is the probability that it will be a boy? The choices are A. 15 over 23, B. 15, C. 23 over 38, D. 15 over 38. Do you know about probability? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up. Then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. There are 23 girls and 15 boys in Mrs. Francis's class. If the school principal picks a class monitor at random, what is the probability that it will be a boy? Choices are A. 15 over 23, B. 15, C. 23 over 38, D. 15 over 38. Now to read my answer. Girls 23, boys 15, total 38. Probability of boy 15 over 38. Answer D. Now to explain my answer. First, you have to find out what the total amount of children is in the class. You have to find out how much children in all there is in the class. So you have to add 23 to 15. You have to add 23 to 15. So 23 plus 15. 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. So that's 38. The total amount of children in Mrs. Francis's class is 38. The total amount of children in Mrs. Francis's class is 38. That will be the denominator. The denominator. And the question asks, what is the probability that it will be a boy? What is the probability that it will be a boy? So how many boys are in the class? 15. How many boys are in the class? 15. So you put 15 over 38. 15 for the boys, 38 for the total amount of children. 15 for the boys, 38 for the total amount of children. So 15 over 38. 15 over 38. That cannot be reduced. 15 over 38 cannot be reduced. So if it could be reduced, you'd have to reduce it for it to be the answer. It's not truly the answer unless you reduce it to its lowest term. But this is reduced to its lowest term. There's no common factor between 15 and 38. 2 cannot go into 15, although it can go into 38. 3 cannot go into 38, even though it can go into 15, and so on. There's no common factor. So it's at its lowest term now. So it's in its lowest term now. 15 over 38. 15 over 38. Answer 15 over 38. Answer D. Answer 15 over 38. Answer D. I will give you about 1 more minute to review my, or about another minute. I'll give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
receive 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with worked out and explained answers by email. Practice, practice, practice. That's the key to passing GSAT. And remember that these tests are also suitable for PEP, that is the replacement for GSAT. So go ahead and start listening to these videos which are suitable for both PEP and GSAT, and start practicing the practice tests with answers that are also both suitable for GSAT and PEP. Start listening to the videos and practicing the tests now. Only $4,000. Email Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com or telephone 353-4752. And remember that this telephone number 353-4752 uses WhatsApp, so we can communicate via WhatsApp if you'd like to. So go ahead, start watching the videos and practicing the tests from now. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.